Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, gonna to show you how to synchronize clock with an internet time server in industrial PC. So guys, if you want to synchronize clock with an internet time server in industrial PC or laptop, so very easy. First, you click on Start. Tab here, change date and time. Here, change the date, date and time. So click on change the date and time option, set time automatically. So select toggle on position. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method when to synchronize clock with an internet time server in industrial PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.